Woohoo! So we're here at the Wind Shops. Punta kami Off-White tsaka Louis Vuitton. So let's go! There we go, Off-White. What? For rainy days, guys. Complete with the zip tie. What? Bebo. Fluffy! Crazy. Oh, what's this? Speakers?
That's a speaker, yeah. It's nice.
Dang. So we're here at Givenchy. So take a look at that. Ooh, it's the red, shiny red, brown. This is like $595 or $600, around 30,000. Black. Kaya nyo ba yan? Laban ba kayo? Comment. Oh wait, meron pa. You wanna go furry? Black furry. And then they also have black white furry. Ano babe? Laban ka ba?
Laban.
They also have this reminds me a lot of New Balance. Especially with the color. This one is $995, around 50,000. Okay, so dito na tayo sa Cosmico Condo. Dito na tayo sa hotel. Kaway ka naman babe. Mrs. yung nagka-cameraman. So I ended up buying two things from Off-White. So mag-unboxing lang tayo. Unang-una sa lahat ito yun. So this is an Off-White industrial belt strap for the Apple Watch. Pwede na. And then pagkatapos nun, I bought one footwear. Baka iniisip ninyo one of the sneakers like yung distressed suede, or siguro iniisip ninyo yung parang black boots. But no. The official name, tingnan ko na yung pangalan is called the Meteor Padded Slider. Yun yung tawag sa kanya. And kailangan ko siya unbox kasi parang iiwan ko yata yung box dito eh. Kasi hindi ko alam paano ko iuwi yung ganitong kalaking box sa Pilipinas. Sobrang puno na yung luggage namin. So I'll open it. You have the typical Off-White dust bag. So lahat ng mga Off-White sneakers and footwear usually have this dust bag. You have tissue paper. And then you have the slider. So yan yung itsura niya. So it's called the Meteor kasi this particular design, yung maraming holes, or the cheese design like my wife lovingly calls it, it's called the Meteor collection. So this one has foam, pero this actually still quite sturdy kung titingnan yung ilalim niya. So it is not super soft to the point na it can become, too mushy. So sturdy naman siya. So may Velcro dito, so you can adjust the top part of it depending on how wide or how big your feet are. And it's just a really fun pair of slides. So kung fan ka ng Off-White, fan ka ni Virgil Abloh, I think it's a nice piece to add to your collection. So yun ang aking nabili. Just the strap for the watch and then this one from Off-White. I was thinking of getting the suede out of office pero ang dami ko na talagang ganong klaseng shoes, so ito na muna. Now at this point in the episode, we'll pack up dito sa Caesars. We'll head on over to, I think we're going to go on a very long road trip. We're going to check out the Grand Canyon, we're going to check out Hoover Dam, and we're going to go on a 4-hour or almost 6-hour drive to Arizona. May Airbnb kami doon. We're going to check out Sedona. So sama kayo. Tara! And guys, this is Hoover Dam. Anong tingin mo, babe?
Nice.
Ganda ba? Si Mitch mahilig sa mga dam eh. So, let us know what you guys think of the Hoover Dam. Comment down below. Oh guys, si Mrs. medyo expert pagdating dyan. Kasi kinover mo dati, di ba? So, ano yung, kung i-compare mo dun sa Angat Dam, gaano kalaki si Hoover Dam?
Super massive. Well, according to Google, kasi hindi ko naman alam, parang 2,086 megawatts.
Si Hoover.
Si Hoover.
Si Angat.
Si Angat is short of 300 megawatts.
So, almost 8-7 times more, no?
Yeah,
Grabe.
So, pero bumababa din yung water level niya. So, I don't know what that means.
Hala.
Kasi sa Angat, di ba, pag bumaba yung water level, may water shortage. Pero this one, ang laki niya. Sobrang nakakalula. Katuwa.
So guys, nandito tayo sa Grand Canyon. Sobrang lamig. As in, may t-shirt ako, jacket, tsaka oh my god, ang ganda. Teka. Whew. What? Ganda. Grabe guys. This is sick, man. Absolutely sick. It's just so cold. Ang lamig. As in, whew. Pero tingnan nyo guys, sobrang ganda ng view. Sobrang panalo. Absolutely stunning. Grabe. Really just have to soak it in. What's up?